morning. Yes. Good morning. Who is talking? Puri is talking. Good morning. Come here. Come here. Get in the bed. Get in the bed. Get in the bed. Get in the bed. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Good morning, Nay. Uy, uy, uy. Turog ka ta. Tutulog ka na dyan. Sa bed. Good morning. Good morning, Puri. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Oh, ni Daddy? Danapanan ni Daddy? Daddy went out? Daddy went out? Oh, come on. Let's make coffee. Come on. Oi, come on. Let's make coffee. Good morning. Let's make coffee. You're enjoying the bed, aren't you? You're enjoying the bed. Come on, let's go down now. Let's go down now. Go down. Down. Let's go down now. Oi, you're enjoying the bed. Down. Good dog. Good morning mga kaswerte. Ayan. Good morning my puri. Good morning mga kaswerte. Ayan. Buksan natin yung ating bintana. Wow. Look at that. Ganda ng view. Ito po yung view sa labas. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. The view is very nice. I'm gonna make coffee and I'll stay outside enjoying the beach. Yan. It's a nice weather. Summer na summer. Yan, sobrang init. Ayan, I am going to make my coffee mga kaswerte. Ito po yung favorite spot ng aking baby. Ng aking baby doggy. Ayan po, meet my lovely Puri. Oh, look at my baby dog. Yan. Who's so sweet? My Puri. Look at yourself in the camera. Sabi po nila, pag nililik ka ng aso nyo, when the dogs lick at you back, it means they love you. Yan. Sobrang lambing nitong aking doggy. Kung nasan ako, naandoon din siya. Tapos kapag kinakausap ko siya minsan, no, hindi siya nakakapagsalita pero tumataas yung kanyang tenga. Is it not, baby? Ay, hindi pala. Gumaganyan siya, kapag nakikinig siya. Bumababa yung kanyang tenga. Di ba, baby? You're listening, mommy. Shh. Grabe naman yung buntong hininga nitong aking baby. You want coffee? No? Oh, you're looking yourself at the camera. No. Why are you looking yourself at the camera? Tik 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 tik. Tik 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 tik. Sobrang lambing ko po dito sa aking baby dog. Diba, baby? Yes. Yan po, ganyan po siya kapag sumasagot. Masagot ang aking baby dog. Diba? Gawa muna ng coffee si mami, ha? Gawa muna ako ng coffee, then we go tambay-tambay sa tabing dagat. Love you. Love you. I love you, Puri.